Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Got another one of the Arrows RC Charleston Boss, a little Arrows RC Bay Hawk or BAE Hawk, and it's on part of their Black Friday sale. Let's have some fun with her. Going to take off in the stabilized mode. Let me make sure my directions. Yep.
AS3X mode.
All right. I actually need to move that battery a little further forward. She's flying tail heavy. Be all right though. Good looking little plane there. Just a real quick little flight. Well, I have enough light to see. Out of the power. Very smooth. Very smooth. There we go.
Prop secured.
Prop secured. That was 2 landings for the price of 1. Folks, this is just a great little plane. I highly recommend it. Great little toss and boss. Throw it in your back seat. Take it down to your local park. Can't go wrong. Part of the Black Friday sale. Everything about that sale and a very special promotional code will be in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and planes. Bye, y'all.